Hey guys, it's Luna here. Today I'm making homemade hash brown, starting from some russet potato. You can really use any kind of potato. We're gonna just shred them, peel them, and drain them. All the starch water, just like I do right here. Squeeze them down, and you could add fresh onion grated together with onion, but I didn't have that, so I just add some onion powder. I'm using 2 frying pans here. One side for my brown sugar caramelized bacon. Right now I added some olive oil, brown sugar, and some butter, and I'm gonna melt that down. Meanwhile, on the other side of the pan, I just added my grated potato and I push it down so it cooks. And the point is not make it burn, so watch out for your fire. You will see soon what I mean by that. And when brown sugar glaze is ready, you add some bacons right onto it, and we're gonna cook it in gentle heat, not the crazy heat, because you don't want to burn them. I'm teaching you my lessons. Meanwhile, we're gonna let that go, and I love grounded black pepper, so I added on pretty much on everything. Yeah, that was too much heat. Now I'm making video, I can see what kind of mistake I've made. It's not totally mistake, it's something that I wish I have done or found out sooner. Right now I am adding salt and pepper to my hash brown. And meanwhile the bacon is going, I like to add a little bit of oil because I was smelling a little burning at this point. Make sure you have enough of an oil because there's a lot of potatoes, they do love salt and they favor the oil. I think in my way, that's why they're French fries. It's very delicious. And this is how I would flip this gigantic hash brown. You put the plate on top of it and just flip the entire pan, and they come out just like this. I'm adding a little bit more of olive oil on my cast iron pan. I love frying anything on cast iron pan. It's so sturdy. It does its wonderful job. You see, I burned in the middle. I scratched it off, but I mean, I could have done better. And then I added some egg right on top, put the lid so it starts to cook faster. But it was on Sunday and I had no patience at this point, so I just started adding them up, and I had my oven preheated to 350, pop in there for another 20 minutes. Meanwhile, I went outside in the rain, got some parsley and edible flour, and this is how I made it fancy and looks gorgeous by adding just a couple edible flour. This is pansy, and who doesn't love and appreciate pretty plate of a food? I mean, I do. I enjoy it. And that's my dinner idea for you, or breakfast. Hi, my name is Luna. I make cooking video for you to use and inspire at home cooking home meal. Follow me for more. Luna Mate.